Hi guys, good evening. Good evening Philippines, good evening Canada, all over the world, good evening. Ngayong araw na linggo, nagpunta ako sa food safe training. Thanks God. Nakapasok ako, thanks God. Nakapasa ako sa food safe training. Ito yung mga buksan na binigay sa food safe training. Tsaka ito yung pag nakapasa ka, bibigyan ka nitong card for temporary. Tapos nakalagay dyan kung kailan ka nag-exam, nag-date, kailan ka nag-exam, kasi nung ito yung book sa binigay sa amin pag-training pag-safe. Pag-safe training. Ito yung mga binigay. Kapasa ako guys. Thank you Lord. I have a certificate for temporary, this one, but he said that after 90 days he sent the certificate, total certificate for the food safe training. 2 weeks po nagbasa, 2 weeks paulit-ulit. Tapos nanood ako dyan sa YouTube about food safe training. Kaya worth it naman. Thank you Lord. Pasa ako. Ang next ko naman na task first aid by next month. Thank you guys. God bless you. Thank you for watching. Bye.